Hi, this is Chad the Van Man with Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to be having a look at a new addition to our inventory. This is a 2019 Dodge Caravan that has been upfitted into a wheelchair mobility vehicle. So let's have a look. It's a 2019 Dodge Caravan and it has a power ramp on it. So everything's controlled here with these two fobs. So this one here, you double tap that and it's going to open up this rear passenger door, and then you hold this button here that says out and it's going to fold that ramp down just like that, and then you continue to hold the button and the van is going to start squatting. See how it's lowering here, and that's going to make the grade on the ramp less. Still going down, still going down. That's all the way. So then you roll your wheelchair right up onto here. Here in the back, both of these chairs can be disconnected and wheeled right out, so you can be driving from the wheelchair if you like, or you could be sitting up here in the passenger seat from the wheelchair. But you can see this has this machined aluminum S tracking here, which your tie downs will go onto. Track there. There's also a track up here in the front, but there's more underneath this flooring here. You can see this has been raised up, but when you wheel that chair out, there's some of that railing under there where you can attach your wheelchair right up into the front. We do have rear climate control here for the back, so you can adjust these vents here however you like, and that's separate from what's up front. Also, it's a power door on the driver's side as well. Set that 2 times. That one will open up. Now you can do that from the fob. There's a button up front that can do it, and then you can also do it right here from inside of the door. That's for both driver and passenger side, and then also the rear hatch here also has built-in remote start, which I'll show you here in just a minute. So if you have any questions on this van, the first comment beneath this video is a link to its listing, where we have all the photos. Right next to the price, there's also a tab for auto check from Experian. It's their version of a Carfax, where you can look at the vehicle history report. So to put the ramp back up, just hit this N button here, hold that. You can see the van starting to lift back up, and it's folding that ramp. And you don't have to hold it anymore, and it continues to lift the van up. And then you just double tap that button again, and then that door will close on its own. And then if you hit the lock button and then hit this twice, the van starts right up. Hit it 2 more times, it'll turn off. Then this one, hit 2 times, open up the rear hatch here. Got a little bit of storage here. There's the Q straints, which are just fancy ratchet straps that attach the wheelchair, and these seats will fold down. Again, you can hit this button 2 times to close it, or push this button right here once. Closes it. This is equipped with a reverse camera, which is right there. Now I'm just gonna do a lap around the van. This is interesting. We need to get this window closed. So this window's there open. I'll close that when I'm done with this video. I'm just gonna walk around it and point out any scratches or dents I might see. Tires on it are really beefy. Lots of tread on those suckers. It's like a little bit of a scuff right here. Little scratch right there. A little bit of a scuff right there. A couple little scratches. It is a 2019, so 6 years old now. Not seeing any big dents or anything. There's discoloring here on the mirrors. Looks like it's from bugs. Scratch down here. The front looks pretty good. Looking down this side, I don't see any dents or dings, just a few little scratches here and there. Little one right there. Looks good. Yeah, it looks good. This window's open too. I'll close that as well. A little bit of marks there, like that door's been banged into some stuff. We've got a power seat here for the driver. Up and down. I don't think the passenger side was power. But let's have a look here and see. Yeah, manual for that. The driver's seat is power. I'll hop up here into the front. Move that back some. Again, this is a 2019 Dodge Caravan that's been upfitted with a wheelchair lift. Looks like it has 71,000 and some change here. Yeah, 71,927 miles on it. We do have Bluetooth controls here for your phone, cruise controls here, auto windows, hit that one time, window's gonna go down. Also auto headlights, which it's turned to. Here's climate control for the front. And then right here's these buttons I was telling you, you could do this stuff from the key fob or right up front here. Open and close these doors. So you can do it from the key fob right inside the door or right here. You hit those buttons and they both close, as you can see. And yeah, you got radio here, AM, FM. And it also has a Sirius satellite on it. Not seeing anything to suggest that it has navigation though. No. Nope, no navigation. So again, I am Chad the Van Man with Sherry Vans here in Piqua, Ohio. If you have any questions on this van or any of these other vans I've got out here on the lot, please reach out to me. My personal contact info is also in the first comment beneath this video, along with the listing to the van with pricing, a bunch of photographs, and the history report. Again, Chad the Van Man, Sherry Vans. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks, folks.